I need some inspiration. Let my thoughts drift back to you. Your intonation imprinted on my frontal lobe means I quickly learned the language of you. Your tone was engraved on my cochlea, so I spiraled slowly into you. Entranced, my eyes go low like I'm smoking Delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol. You. Ooh, there it is, that high I seek. Now I follow my wandering mind. It leads me to a certain time. Past the smoke and clouds made of my thoughts filled to the brim, I follow the scent of incense. I see you, I feel chilled. You touched my hand and there was no spark, but I know this is not love. It's your flow I've come to reverence, your soul I want to know. I mean, thoughts of mastering your body, yes, every crevice to explore, cross my mind with the rarity of sand dollars intact on the shore. I mean, it's not to say that you're not attractive, but your mind is what I'm after, for I swoon with every line. And just when I think you've lost your touch, I feel you in a moment's time. Again, I'm high. And this addiction to your addiction has come at a terrible time. My only therapy that works is this new addiction of taking pen to paper, adding lines. Oh, no, really, this is nothing new. I'm speaking of the flowetry following the high you prove will leave me dazed, scribing of you. And what a delectable inspiration I have in you, my muse, like food. I'm fully sated on the mental sustenance of your groove. So I move slowly post-feast. I think I've had too much of you. And the words I heave are the release of the delicacies you brew. And it looks like I didn't chew. I mean, there's chunks of reason from your logical mind, lumps of internal rhyme suspended in time, vowels, consonants, adjectives, verbs scattered about as if I inhaled every verse that came out. Which would only make sense if I caught this contact high from you, which would only be right, for truth can only come truth. So I spit the last lyrics that escape my lips, wipe my mouth, rinse my face now to make sense of all of this, but my mind reels and I'm pulled back in. The clouds fade, I let the darkness in, black for a moment, then you on stage. I smile a crooked smile. I feel laughter bubbling up. My eyes begin to flutter. What is this, you ask? A mental nut. Inhale deeply, exhale smooth. Don't need a cigarette, still inhaling the essence of you, still swallowing the last drop of brew, still wallowing in the pleasures you drew from the very bowels of my soul, making the blood circulating felt from my royal crown to my journeyed souls. I am high. It's been a while since I felt this way. Didn't even have to roll up today to feel like I was flying through the cumulus of a smoke-filled room, being touched by you from the inside out, removing all doubt that I could live without this inspirational addiction. What should happen when a poet falls for her muse? They fuse. Thank you.